Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add keyframes in Capcut PC. So first of all, open up your Capcut PC application. Now on your Capcut, first of all what you have to do is that you have to click on the import button and then import the video on which you want to add keyframes. After that, you have to click on the video that is present on your timeline and drag the cursor to the position where you wish to add a keyframe. For example, I want to add a keyframe over here. Now, from the menu that just appeared after clicking on your video, you have to click on the keyframe icon that is present in front of scale. Once you click on keyframe, a keyframe will appear on your video. Then you have to skip a few frames and add another keyframe. Repeat this method for the third time. Now, once 3 keyframes are on your video, you have to select the second one and increase the scale of your video. I'm using these keyframes to zoom into my video during the clip. Now, once I have increased the scale, this will be the final result. So everyone, as you just saw, by using these keyframes, I have added a zoom effect into my video. You should keep this in mind that these keyframes can be used for various purposes other than zooming. For example, if you click on this keyframe icon, you will be able to change the position of your video from the left side or the right side and many other more ways. Then, if you click on this keyframe button that is present in front of rotate, you will be able to rotate your video horizontally or vertically. So everyone, that's how you can add keyframes in Capcut PC. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.